Today, I've got one of the most underrated Windows 10 features that can totally change how you multitask. Virtual desktops. With virtual desktops, you can create multiple desktops on one screen. Imagine having one desktop for work, one for gaming, and one for browsing, all running at the same time without clutter. Press Windows plus tab, then click on New Desktop at the top. Now just switch between desktops using Control plus Windows plus left or right arrow. Each desktop can have different apps open, and it doesn't close anything, it just separates them. You can even drag apps from one desktop to another. Great for streamers, editors, or students juggling apps. If this was something new that you learned, please hit that like button and consider to subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you all